Loubia polo is one of the most popular homemade rice dishes in Iran, and it's easier to make than you might think. In this video, we'll show you how to make it step by step. We are going to start with some oil in a pan over medium heat. I like to score the ground beef crosswise and then roll each piece into a ball. Carefully space the meat in the pan so the pieces keep their shape while cooking. Next, dice an onion and add it to the pan along with some turmeric to help bring out the flavor of the meat. Now it's time for the green beans, Loubia in Persian. Let's cut them into bite-sized pieces and add them to the pan. After 5 minutes, it's time to add the tomato paste. Make sure to add enough to coat everything evenly. After another 5 minutes, add some water to the pan. You will need just enough to cover the ingredients. Let it cook for about 40 minutes, checking the water level occasionally. Squeeze in some lemon juice and add it to the pan, along with a little black pepper and cinnamon. Let it cook for 15 more minutes over low heat. Next up is the rice. We recommend using Persian or basmati rice and soaking it ahead of time. Cook it for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the rice is soft, drain it and rinse it briefly with cool water. Next, add some oil to the pot to create a crispy bottom layer. Add the rice to the meat mixture and stir very carefully. After that, transfer the mixture back to the pot, forming a loose mound in the center. Making a few holes in the rice helps improve air circulation, and a clean towel wrapped around the lid will absorb excess moisture and keep the rice fluffy. Let it cook for 15 minutes over low heat, and it's ready to serve. I like to enjoy it with Shirazi salad on the side. For more tips and delicious Persian recipes, visit chefofpersia.com, where you'll find many more traditional dishes and cooking guides from Persian cuisine.